Life is a wondrous and complex process. At its heart lies a fundamental process: cell division. This is the incredible ability of one cell to divide into two, a process that underpins all life as we know it. From the smallest single-celled bacteria to the largest animals on Earth, cell division is essential. It's the driving force behind growth, reproduction, and the repair of damaged tissues. Without cell division, life itself would cease to exist. In the microscopic world of single-celled organisms like bacteria and amoeba, cell division is synonymous with reproduction. When a bacterium, for example, reaches a certain size, it duplicates its genetic material and then splits into two identical daughter cells. This process, known as binary fission, allows these tiny organisms to multiply and colonize new environments. Imagine a single bacterium in a nutrient-rich environment. Through repeated rounds of cell division, it can quickly give rise to millions of offspring, each carrying the same genetic blueprint. This remarkable ability to reproduce rapidly is what makes bacteria so ubiquitous and adaptable. In multicellular organisms like ourselves, cell division takes on additional roles. While it still serves as a means of reproduction, think of the sperm and egg cells that combine to form a new individual. It's also crucial for growth and development. From the moment of conception, a single fertilized egg cell undergoes a series of divisions that give rise to trillions of cells, each specialized to perform a specific function. This intricate process of cell division and differentiation is what transforms a single cell into a complex organism with tissues, organs, and systems. Even after we reach adulthood, cell division doesn't stop. Our bodies are constantly renewing and repairing themselves, replacing old or damaged cells with new ones. This ongoing process is essential for maintaining our health and vitality. Consider our skin, the outermost layer of our bodies. Every day, millions of skin cells are shed and replaced through cell division. This constant renewal ensures that our skin remains a protective barrier against infection and injury. Similarly, our liver, a vital organ responsible for detoxification, has a remarkable capacity for regeneration thanks to the ability of its cells to divide and replace damaged tissue.